Well, I came out of Syracuse University in upstate New York, and I went in to be a sportscaster. So my first life, I was a sportscaster for 12 years in Syracuse and in Denver, Colorado. But it was in 2007 that I had the astute business knowledge to get into real estate, right before the worst crash in the history of real estate. So I had a honeymoon for about 6 months before it all came crashing down. And needless to say, the years of 2008, 9, 10 were a little lean while everybody was trying to survive. And a friend of mine called me one time and he said, "Hey, Visa, how are you doing?" And I said, "What did you call me?" And he said, "I called you Visa." And I said, "Why are you calling me Visa?" He said, "Because everywhere I go around this town in Denver, your face and name is in more places than Visa." And I said, "Yeah." I said, "Well, we're doing a lot of marketing and we're sure trying really hard, but you know, we're getting killed by the housing crash." And he said, "Hey, don't worry." He said, "All of this marketing and all of this time and all of this effort that you're spending is going to pay off when we come out of this." And while that wasn't really comforting at the time, because we were struggling to pay our bills and we were struggling mightily to stay alive, he was right. Hundreds and thousands of real estate agents were dropping out of the market. They were just quitting the business. And when the market turned around in late 2011, 2012 in Denver, there were only a few of us left standing, and me and my business partner were two of them. And all of that marketing and all of that hard work that we had done during the 4 years of the crash paid off. Our phones started ringing like crazy and business really, really took off. And we basically never looked back ever since.